Welcome to Auto Tech Talk. In this video, I will be reviewing some of the best cars that accommodate family and at the same time offering comfort and great entertainment for the road. Stay tuned, and please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything, right here on Auto Tech Talk. The Volkswagen Golf 8th generation hatchback is an alternative sophisticated vehicle as an alternative to some of its competitors in its segment, like the Bmw One Series, A3, and the A-Class. If one is shopping for something in this segment, definitely the humbled price of the Golf is convincing. The 8th generation Golf has an exterior that embraces the heritage design language that has been defined since 1974. The Golf carries a pair of 1.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engines with 128 and 148 horsepower, respectively. In Europe, a 6-speed manual gearbox is standard, with some engines getting the option of a new 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, which brings 48-volt hybrid assistance through a belt-connected starter generator. There is also a pair of plug-in hybrids, both using a 1.4-liter gasoline engine and a 13 kilowatt-hour battery pack in 201 horsepower and 242 horsepower states of tune. The Mark 8 interior has a digital instrument cluster as standard, as well as with a large touchscreen in the center of the dashboard, and many functions will be handled with what VW is describing as sliders. These touch-sensitive controls operate things such as the climate control temperature and the sunroof on the roof console. The MK8 comes with a new feature called the shift-by-wire DSG transmission, meaning that the automatic models will have a smaller gear selector to allow for more storage space in the center console. VW also mentioned that this new gear selector will allow the driver to select the reverse mode while traveling forward at low speeds to make maneuvering easier. The Golf has a voice control system that is said to recognize far more complex instructions, such as responding to "I am hot," as a result, decreasing the cabin temperature. The Ford Focus is filled up with the latest technology that makes it great to drive. The vehicle interior features can be enjoyed from the 8-inch touchscreen. The voice recognition, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay makes it even more enjoyable, which allows you to sync your phone with the car and access your important applications on the car's 8-inch touchscreen. One downside review was made about its infotainment screen, which was that its general menu structure was not intuitive. A wireless smartphone charging pad can be added on the entry-level models for relatively little money. Two adults have generous amounts of legroom and headroom in the front, while the driver gets a decent amount of manual seat and steering wheel adjustment. The Focus is available in a 1-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that produces power not less than 85, 100, and 125 horsepower. Also available in a 125 1-liter EcoBoost petrol and the 120 horsepower 1.5-liter diesel. The 2022 Ford Focus model range is likely to start at around $30,681. The Skoda Karoq naturally attracts all those buyers with moderate-large families with its spacious cabin and boot space. It is said to not be a car based on aesthetics. Otherwise, if you're concerned with such, your alternatives would be models such as the Hyundai Tucson and the Nissan Qashqai. Every model comes with height-adjustable front seats and manual lumbar adjustment. The Karoq rides very smoothly on bumps and lumps, with an occasional sharp intrusion causing any discomfort. The cabin is smooth and quiet. In town, it rides smoothly too. The 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol mill encourages this SUV to pick up a pace smoothly and effortlessly. The engine produces 150 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. Compared to its predecessor, the Skoda Yeti, the Skoda Karoq is significantly larger. It is 6.3 inches longer and 1.38 inches longer, and wheelbase is 2.36 inches longer. The Karoq is available in 2- or 4-wheel drive configurations. Higher trim levels with a drive mode select system with 5 modes, while the off-road mode features the traction control and electronic differential lock is an option on the 4-wheel drive options. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is the entry level in the Mercedes-Benz range models, but does not disappoint at all when coming to features, as it does inherit some of the luxury from the S-Class. List of interior features includes automatic LED headlights, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and heated side mirrors. All models come with a panoramic sunroof that allows light to enter inside the cabin space. If one decides to add $1,750 to their budget, they add features such as a 10.3-inch touchscreen, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power-folding side mirrors. The A-Class is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that generates 188 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. Front-wheel drive is standard with the A220, and the A220 4MATIC is a 4-wheel drive. They feature a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The A220 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The A-Class has an interior that absolutely meets the premium standards of Mercedes. A trio of circular air vents adds decorative flair to the center stack, and the cabin can be upgraded with upscale options such as leather upholstery, heated front seats, and LED interior lighting. The car's trunk provides 9 cubic feet of room for your luggage. The A-Class comes with standard infotainment features such as Bluetooth phone and music streaming, HD radio, and a 7-inch touchscreen. A larger 10.3-inch touchscreen is offered as part of the premium package. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay also come as standard. Some safety drive assist features are automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The starting price for the A-Class is $35,000. Next on the line, we have the new Peugeot 5008 to showcase. This new model now comes as a 7-seater, which is the first outstanding thing about it when compared to its predecessor. It makes a statement with its new, sharper exterior design that includes new LED daytime running lights. Its new iCockpit is mind-blowing as well as its high-tech environment. The 5008's infotainment system can all be accessed from the 8-inch head digital instrument panel. Its steering wheel is a compact multifunction steering wheel, and electric impulse automatic gearbox control offer a unique and immersive driving experience. The 7-seater ensures everyone's comfort by giving sufficient legroom, as well as the occupants on the second row have the freedom to even recline their seats to a suitable angle and maximize the legroom. The 5008 comes with a smart electric tailgate, which makes it easy to load your items inside the boot. It can be triggered by your foot motion under the bumper center. 2,150 liters of boot space can be enjoyed when the second row seats are folded flat. For extra long loads, the front passenger seat can be folded to create extra 10.5 feet of space. The included advanced driver assistance systems are the active blind spot detection, which alerts the driver to an obstacle via an LED in the mirrors, as well as applying a trajectory correction to the steering should the driver not pay attention to the obstacle. Other standard safety features include active lane keeping assistance and advanced driver attention alert. The starting price for the 5008 is $39,000. The Bmw One Series has now evolved to more of a sport turismo design inspiration. It inherits new kidney grills with some new athletic metal trims inside and updated new headlamps featuring new LED daytime running lights. The bumper is updated with new air duct system design. The Bmw One Series features efficient engines, the front-wheel drive now premiering in the Bmw One Series, and the state-of-art technology employed in the chassis guarantees driving experiences full of dynamics and agility. The Bmw One Series stands out for cleverly conceived sportiness and modern design. The model range includes the entry-level 118i, 118D, 120i, 128Ti, and the top-of-the-range M135i xDrive, all in automatic. The 118i reaches a top speed of 131 miles per hour and could reach 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.5 seconds. Its luggage capacity is 1,200 liters when the rear seats are completely folded and 380 liters in normal seat arrangement adjustments. The top-of-the-range model, the M135i xDrive, reaches a top speed of 155 miles per hour and sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Its boot capacity is equivalent. Its engine power is 138 horsepower. The entry-level cost price is $46,990, and the M130i xDrive model costs $69,990. Not to forget the Audi A3, which will be sold strictly as a sedan in North America and hatchback in Europe and other global markets. The A3 is offered in Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trims like other Audi models. The Premium Plus includes unique features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, memory settings, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and passive keyless entry. The European models offer a variety of powertrains. The North American is powered by a 201 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder with a 48-volt hybrid system. The powertrain is available with either front or all-wheel drive. The A3 comes with a standard 7-speed auto transmission. The interior is mind-blowing, with the air vents occupying the outline of the driver digital cluster. The available sports seats feature faux suede upholstery and quilted seating surfaces. In the interior also, the A3 features a 10.1-inch touchscreen or a larger optional 12.3-inch unit. The A3 interior design still features the old-fashioned control knobs, such as to make some adjustments to the cabin temperature. The starting price of the 2022 A3 is expected to be $34,945. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.